Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm sorry I don't post many, or I haven't posted an actual video in a long time. We're just riding around my trails on my family's property. Make sure the gas is on. Alright. Start it off. Little drip. I don't got brakes and I'm trying not to get too muddy right now. So, currently I'm going to just drive slow through these puddles. Then we'll get to the hauling ass part in a minute. I'm missing that piece right there. Little side hill action right now. I don't got brakes, so I'm not gonna blow my trans or motor. So, trying not to be too rough on all that, so I'm not trying to downshift going super fast. Right here. The berm. Down this we go. I'll show you guys much of this. My grandpa doesn't want me filming here, even though it's his land, but his shop, but all my family keeps all this equipment here. Here again. This part's always rough. I've already been out riding today, so everything's all torn up. We're doing no mud riding today. Hit my own trails. Ooh, rocks. I'm not trying to hit that too fast. that mud puddle, I mean. Looking out right here. Power last night, so that store's running everywhere a little bit, just because we had to run one thing, so didn't want to start the generator all up for just power to be out for an hour through the car crash. It hit the pole and took the power line right out. Shockingly, it didn't break the pole. Let off the throttle. Through here. Almost blew that corner. About just stuck off my head, or like a branch caught my visor and yanked my head sideways. That's neutral. Oh, jump, but I ain't jumping right now. I really don't want to jump it. Put it in neutral, let it coast it on, put it in reverse. I basically just do in my free time. I just go back and forth through the trail. I don't go on main trails. Just drifted right out of there. I'm thinking about getting on the mini bike. I don't know what that cover is. I'll have to pick that up. Yeah, why not? We'll get on the mini bike. Ignore that. That's just, I think my trans is all screwed up. Alright, get this started. Kickstand. I should not be going fast over bumps on this thing. Bumps are brutal. Without taking my foot off. Root. Little bump. Sorry about whining, guys. I've tried fixing the light. It's just all comes loose if it is whining. Camera. Oh, wheelie off of that. I think my back tire's flat. Little, but not really. I would hit that, but this thing probably wouldn't be the best. Ooh, rock. Might want to chuck that out of the way. Must have picked it up. Right up through here on this. That's what I use. I just put this thing felt like I did. Ooh. Not tired. Trying to get out here. We'll go to the car through here. Can't make it up any of those things gutless. I'll drop down off of that root. A little fun. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, there's a piece of fence over there. Oh, drag. Down through the front yard. Oh, break. I don't think I'll make it up that. I think I would have to take a different path to come down. Little slide. And that's it for today, guys. It's just I'm taking a break from riding. I've been riding all day. I thought I would make a video because I haven't made one in a while. So yeah, catch you all on the next one.